Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but in this video we're gonna dive back into some trading stuff. I'm gonna cover how to deposit using Perfect Money, which is a online payment platform, to XM, which is a online broker. So the first thing we're gonna do is log in, and I will leave the link below if you haven't signed up with this broker yet. So once you're logged in, hit deposit and you'll select Perfect Money. Then you're going to scroll down, enter the amount, and you should see this pop up. So it'll guide you to log into your Perfect Money if you aren't already logged in. And you should see the following pages. Just hit confirm and continue. You'll be notified by email when it hits your brokerage account. Once it's there, you can use it on MT4 or MT5. I prefer MT5. So here you can see currently it's in my shares account, and since I would like to trade Forex, I would have to be creating a new account, a Forex account. So to create a new trading account, just click on my accounts, the little plus sign, select MT5 or MT4, it's up to you, but in this case I'm selecting MT5. So then you either choose standard or micro. Now I'm saying standard or micro because if you deposit directly to these, you'll qualify for the deposit bonus. Now this is only if you're using standard and micro, not the shares or not the ultra low. So I like to keep my leverage low, agree and continue. You should then see this pop up. They'll also email you or provide you with the login details straight away. So then you're going to head over to the MT5 app or MT4, whichever you're choosing. In this case, MT5. So you click on settings, new account. Then you're going to search for the server that was provided to you when you open the account. So there we go, the account is created. Now to do an internal transfer, you're going to select account, these three dots at the side, and select internal transfer. Scroll down, select the account you're going to deposit, switch the deposit to, enter the amount, send a request, and there it is. You'll also get a email notification. So here's a screenshot of inside my MT5 after the deposit. Did some trades on gold, and after closing off these profits, I'll now withdraw them back to my Perfect Money account. So to withdraw, you're just gonna select withdraw under the account balance, select Perfect Money, enter the amount. You should get a confirmation page. So here's a screenshot of the MT5 account, so you can see the deposit and the withdrawals. And also here's a screenshot of the Perfect Money account transactions. Now you can see the initial capital was $5.55. Now this was a combination of using the online survey platform I talked about. I will leave a link in the description if you're interested in doing surveys and playing games to make money online. And the remainder was from a no deposit bonus on XM. I will also leave the link to that video in the description below. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.